Hello everyone, this is Sam from 𝐤𝐸𝐵𝐞.com. I'm making a video of another Hijet. This one's a pretty snazzy one. You can see it's got chrome mirrors and a high roof. It's a jumbo cab, so it's got extended cab at the back. This one's a 2009. It's got some little aftermarket alloy wheels, obviously makes it go faster, and it's pretty tidy as well. The deck in here, it's not damaged, banged up or rusty. That looks good. Got three-side drop on. Easy to lower these down and then load up with a forklift or other usage you can make from a flat deck like that. Inside it's got not the plastic seats but a bit more comfortable seats. Steering wheel is not bad. I'll start the engine. It's got 31,000 Ks, about 18,000 miles, something like that. It's got air conditioning, heater, stereo, automatic transmission. If I press this button, four-wheel drive is engaged, and you can see in the back here the cab extends a little bit behind the back seat, so you can put a bag or something in there that you want to keep dry. It's also got some storage bins up here. Exactly sure how they work. They're like makes a floor up there, so you lock them into position like that, and you can put things up there as well. Quite useful if you want to keep things dry. So also electric windows, pretty snazzy for an ATV. So nice big cab, enclosed, warm, cool, dry. It's also got dual airbags as well, passenger and driver. So there you have it. This one is going to be on its way to the States, be available for purchase. If you like this car, one like it, or you want to be a distributor, you think you can make some money from these trucks, contact us, 𝐤𝐸𝐵𝐞.com. have a look on the website, a lot of information on there, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching.